Behind that is baby elephant head right there. We've done this hike quite a few times on my channel. My friends here wanted to come see it again, so I'm gonna do this quick before work today. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to meet John. He has a friend that would like to go up Baby Elephant Head. Getting super busy with work, so after this I have to run over and do a listing appointment, but it should be a pretty short hike.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There you go. This guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just use it for zippers. Just regular old water bottles.
Wow,
So I can just fit in anything that'll fit.
Oh, there's some water in here. That's cool. We're ascending up the first, I call it high point maybe, along this ridge. And it's a bit of a push, but we're almost to this point. And then we got a couple more little pushes to do and we'll be on top of the mountain.
Take off some layers.
Yeah, it's getting warm now. Beautiful morning.
Dave really spoiled me, so on this hike he brought a pair of garden trimmers and went ahead and cut some of the bigger brush out of the way.
I got those ones that are
Oh, wait, no, you're right.
right
You're
up to
right,
the corner.
yeah. That little triangle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're at. Yeah. I think I'm all screwed up. Yeah, that's all of it.
Somebody had a Jolly Rancher here. Pick this garbage up, take it off the trail. Must have just fall out of their pocket. What is this, the third up? I think we gone up 1, 2.
Yeah.
No, this is 3. This is, I think, the last one. And then there's a little bit at the
Yeah, there's
rock.
3 little bumps you got to climb over and down, and I think this is the major, up to the main ridge here.
We're on the final saddle here. We're gonna make our way down a little bit, and then we got the rocks to go up to get up top. So we're making our way up. This gets a little rocky here, and it's kind of fun to scout your way up. we're up top now. This is top of Baby Elephant Head. Making our way down from the top right now. It was a nice, oh, that was perfect weather up there. That was amazing. We're on the final piece of the ridge here. Got one little bump to go over, and the rest of this is all downhill. Whew, that was a good hike.
Yes, it was. Fantastic, man.
Yeah. Got a little bit of a push myself a little bit there.
Good job, man.
Yeah.
Good job.
This home is visible from the top of Baby Elephant Head. Rumor has it, it's one of the Microsoft founders that owns it. It's quite the complex.